Good morning everyone. Myself Anorima Sharma from class 9th and today I am presenting a model called Smart Tanka system with a dual pipe design and water level indicator along with the purity sensor. Now my colleagues will explain it further.
Good morning everyone, my name is Krishna Rathore of class 10th. I am standing in front of you to represent the working of this model based on the Smart Tanka system, in which we have fitted a plastic container which represents the roof of the house, through which we have connected two channels. One is the filtration unit and one is for the irrigation purposes. So when the water goes to the filtration unit, the water is filtered. But in the Rajasthan and the regions of Shillong, where these are done in the traditional methods, where no filtration unit is there, so that can lead to various diseases like cholera, diarrhea, due to the contamination of the water. But we have solved this problem by using the filtration unit there. When the water is filtered, then the water goes to the drinking tanka, in which we have fitted a water level sensor which checks the level of the water, and another we have fitted a pause करना, and on the other hand we have fitted a turbidity sensor which checks the purity of the water. We have fitted it because in the traditional methods, when the water is stored in the tankas for a long period of time, the water gets contaminated, and the tankas are generally made up of concrete, because when a lot of time they are stored there, they can get bacteria, algae, so that we have fitted the turbidity sensor. And on the other channel, we have fitted a pipe to the irrigation tanka, in which the water is stored for a long time, and it is a contaminated water, so that it can only be used for the irrigation purposes, in which we have fitted a DC pump, so the water is pumped into the fields, and there we have set up the drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation system is majorly used to store the water, and the water is not flowed out in a heavy quantity. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditi Yadav. I am in class 10th. I will explain the summary of this model. This is an eco-friendly model which saves labor and provides clean water for drinking. This model solves the problem in water-scarce areas like Rajasthan. We can also use this model in other countries like Africa. All these things together makes it a globally useful model. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ajit Singh Yadav from class 10th Nchs. I made this filtration unit. From this the rainwater is collected, is purified into purified water.